Combo Radio Iloilo, 837 kHz sa dial sang inyo mga radyo.
Wala! Naglulo na! Wala! Nakita na video!
Yawak ino.
Ang tinuod nga gugma, pakaslan. Dili kay
Paslakan!
Malaki ba yan? Pasubok.
Yeah, as an adjunct to your remarks, shouldn't we also abolish the AFP as it is configured presently? Because, you know, that was designed during the American occupation. Because we have new security interests, and therefore the doctrinal framework will also follow through. If you abolish the AFP, and as you have indicated, as four of you have indicated earlier, that it is really the sea which needs to be protected. And yet, you know, the
yung ex ko hindi makapaniwala gato na itsura ko. Sabi ko naman sa'yo, ikaw ang nawala. Ikaw ang hahabol.
Hello sa mga may galit sa akin dyan. Hindi pa kayo pagod? Ay, ako marami pang energy. Get ready!
Namatay si Noy. Ngayon nalaman ko na may sakit din ako.
Kimi no toriko ni na